A lot of buyers fall in love with a home in Boulder, but they forget this one thing. They forget to look at a map of the flood areas, and it can cost you a lot of money. We're gonna dig into that in this quick video. All right, to understand it, there's two things you need to know. Number one is that Boulder is the #1 flash flood risk city in the entire state of Colorado. Number two, what this is critical, is that your standard homeowners insurance policy doesn't cover flooding. That's gonna be an additional policy to your homeowner policy. Hiring a true professional real estate broker is going to be the key here, because they're going to help understand where to go and how to find out all this information. So before you write an offer, like myself, what I do is I run the address through the City of Boulder floodplain map and FEMA's map service center. I don't trust the not in a floodplain because over 25% of flood claims that go to insurance companies actually are outside of that 100-year zone that they have that map designated to. Now, flood insurance typically is going to cost a homeowner between $250 and $1,500, depending on the exact location of the home and a lot of other factors that go into it. Now, Boulder's community rating system knocks 25% off of that. However, watch the timing. A lot of these policies don't kick in until 30 days after you close on the home, and at 30 days after you make that first payment to that insurance company. If it's required by your lender at closing and you didn't know that up front in the negotiation process, it can delay closing. It can cost you a lot of extra money monthly in unforeseen areas. You might be at jeopardy of losing your entire earnest money deposit if it's gonna be some huge amount and you just can't afford the home and you don't wanna go through with it anymore. There's a lot of different things that can happen. So it's critical to know this information when you're in the negotiation process. If you made it this far, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, it helps on page so much. Also, if this has been helpful, follow, because I have a ton more tips coming for homeowners and home sellers and a lot more already back in my page. Go to my page, check it out. There's a little ton of great information there. And if you're looking to buy or sell real estate, reach out to me. I've got my information back in my bio, and I look forward to talking to you soon.